Want to capture abandoning website visitors before they leave? Learn how to create stunning, high-converting exit intent pop-ups using AI in just a few clicks with Notification X. Before you start, make sure you have both the free and pro versions of the Notification X plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Notification X and click on Add New. Give your notification a name, select Exit Intent Pop-up as your notification type, and click Next. Under the Design tab, switch to the Build with AI tab. Select your campaign layout, like a coupon offer or flash sale, and choose pre-written prompt suggestions or type your own custom prompt. Adjust the number of layout variations you want to generate, then hit Generate. Browse through the AI-generated pop-up templates, pick your favorite design. You can fine-tune advanced design settings like pop-up max width, border radius, background colors, and typography, or add custom CSS. In the Content tab, upload your desired image, update the badge text, headline, description, and button text, and add your destination button URL. Move to the Display tab to control where and to whom your pop-up appears. Choose whether to display it across your entire website or specific pages. Under the Customize tab, set up your exit intent options. Once ready, click Publish to make your pop-up live. Let's take a look at the live preview. Whenever a user moves their cursor to close or exit the page, your newly created exit intent pop-up instantly triggers, helping you retain visitors and boost conversions seamlessly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you found this helpful.